Children, now let's learn about the big size and small size. These two are circles. This is a big circle. This is a small circle. This is a big circle. This is a small circle. Children, now let's see the big size and small size. These two are rectangle shapes. This is a big rectangle. This is a small rectangle. This is a big rectangle and this is a small rectangle. Now let us see another example. This is a big ball. This is a small ball. This is a big ball. This is a small ball. Now I am going to pick up the big ball. Circle the object as indicated. Circle the bigger objects. There are two chairs. Now let us see which is bigger one. This is the bigger one. There are two onions. Which is the bigger one? Let us see. This is the bigger one. There are two globes. Which is the bigger one? This is the bigger one. We have to circle the bigger objects here. The same way, you should circle the smaller objects in this row. Children, now let's see the thicker and thinner objects. These two are cylinders. These are all cylinders. This one is thicker cylinder. The bottom is very thick, see. This one is thinner one. This one is thicker one. This one is thinner one. Color the thickest pencil in green and thinnest pencil in pink. Let's see the thickest pencil here. Which is the thickest pencil? This is the thickest pencil. You should color it in green. Then see where is the thinner one? This is the thinner pencil. You should color it in pink. Do it in your book, children.